In terms of emerging trends, some of the things that excite, I already referred to AI/ML, so essentially the digital transformation and integration of technology. Now, I have to say, I mean, as much as the pharmaceutical industry is innovation based in terms of embracing technology, we have not been that quick compared to, let's say, some of the other industries. Part of that is we are a very compliance heavy and regulation driven industry where any change takes longer. Having said that, now we start to see the possibilities with things like AI/ML and what can be done. So overall, the digital transformation and the opportunity that lies with integration of technology is really remarkable. And that's something we look forward to. Also, public private partnerships.
Hmm.
Historically, industry used to kind of go on their own, but now we see more and more public private partnerships in terms of overall access efforts. This is especially important when it comes to strengthening of healthcare systems. In other words, it's not just the medicine, it's basically what environment is the medicine getting introduced in. Do we have all the things in place for the medicine to be used the right way and for the patient to encounter the appropriate outcomes? The way I see it is, if price is not a barrier, what else is getting in the way for the right patient to access the right medicine at the right time? That's where the public private partnership with governments, NGOs, etc., becomes important as we all work together towards removing all the barriers and then make sure our medicines are available to patients in need.
That's a fantastic point you mentioned about public private partnership. And I had the privilege to be part of one such initiative, which was rolled out by AstraZeneca back in 2014, and it's still going on. It's probably one of the largest population health management program that we have seen in the world. And that was done in collaboration with the Ministry of Health Kenya, and there were NGOs like MPAD, JPIGO, AMREF. They all came together. There was WHO, and the objective was to identify patients who might be at a higher risk of developing hypertension and how AstraZeneca could make the medicine accessible for those patients.